sustainability, people talk about reduce, reuse, recycle, and reusing is the highest form. We don't dispose of any of our green waste in landfills. It's all goes into a pile, and we mix that together with so all the green waste, wood chips, leaves, annual flowers, anything that's any green waste we get off our campus goes into a pile that we mix with any excavation we do, and we keep turning that and breaking it down, and then we run it through a topsoil screen. We generate about 2,500 cubic yards of waste every year. It doesn't go to the landfill, so there's no tipping fees, there's no trucking. So we save all that money. Topsoil brought in is about $15 a cubic yard times 2,500 cubic yards a year. So that's quite a savings also. And again, not to mention the fuel savings and all the other incidentals that goes with it.
Probably many of our members collect their landscape organics and do something with it, whether it's a small operation or a larger operation. At Purdue, we've actually started a topsoil making process. It's actually a account within my larger of accounts, and actually at the end product is sold back to the projects at about half the cost of what a outside contractor would sell the topsoil to our projects. So that is a big savings to the university and to our capital projects. We actually have a state permitted site to make our compost here in Indiana. All of the organic materials that are coming off from the landscape, plus we are hauling in the bedding, as well as the leaves that we collect on campus, plus the leaves from the city of West Lafayette. They're our main, that's our main base for our compost. And then we add in wood chips, we add in some other different organics that will make up a good recipe. Once that is cooked, we will add that to some harvested soils from our capital projects to make our finished soil after it's screened. If there's any way you can reuse your organics, do so. They're rich, and finding the best way to reuse those and add them back into your landscapes is not only sustainable, but it could be some cost savings as well. Every site is different, so every operation is a little different. So just try to reuse as much as you can. I think we all pretty well take an IPM, integrated pest management approach, and using organics over any kind of synthetic pesticides or anything like that just keeps our landscapes free and clean. So the recommendation would also, if you don't have an IPM program, look into an IPM program and start where you can.
Thank you for watching. We look forward to you tuning into our next video.